What's up guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and if you're new guys, a special welcome to you. Now guys, I have something very exciting for you. I'm going to show you how to add extensions or add-ons in Firefox. Now what you want to do, just simply open up your Firefox browser, and on the top right hand side you have the burger menu, and you also have the extensions icon. This looks like a piece of puzzle. You can click on this, or if you click on the burger menu and go down to more tools, you will find extensions under here. So as you look, you can see extensions and developers. You can click on that and it will take you directly to extensions. Now if you choose to click piece of puzzle, you will also go here where you have recommendations, extensions, themes, plugins, etc. And I would say this is the best way how to find all what is there, because you can see like extensions, plugins, and themes. On the left hand side you can choose between whatever you want, and you can also manage the extensions from here, right? So you want to click the piece of puzzle, and the piece of puzzle will take you into this area. Now once you're here, just simply click on extensions, and here you can see some recommended extensions here, and to easily add them, if there's something interesting for you, you can simply click add to Firefox, and this will add the extension. And once you have the extension added as well, you'll be able to manage your extensions right here, and I'll show you this a bit later. Now in order to go to the page where you have all those extensions that you can choose from, you can simply click on this link here that says add-ons.mozilla.org, or you can go to the bottom and you can click find more add-ons. So if you click on this, you realize that they take you to this page here where you can see all those add-ons or extensions. Or if you click add-ons.mozilla.org, it will take you to the same page. As you can see, both page is the same thing, right? So you'll go here and you can find all those different extensions. Now once you're here guys, this is how it's set up. So if you look, you have the recommended extensions right here. You can see them, and you can also click see more extensions. That will take you to a page where you have all those extensions. Here you have popular themes, and you have some extensions as well, and if you scroll on, you have some trending themes, etc. You get the idea. Now if you come to the top of the page, you will also see from the different links here, you have extensions and you also have themes, and these are set up by categories and a few recommendations here. Now under the extension, as I said, you have the same thing by the outline of categories, so you can see the different categories that you can choose from. You have the recommendations, you have the top rated, and you also have the trending. So you can have a look at this. You can simply click the link to see more for these different categories, right? And here as well, you can click the different link to categorize them as well, so you can see different categories of the extension as you go here. Now on the left hand side guys, you have filters, so you can simply go through the filters, find whatever you're looking for, or you can easily use a search box here to search for a particular extension. So let's say I want something for YouTube. I can simply type YouTube, enter, and it will find all the YouTube extensions or add-ons there for me. Very easy and very simple. Now in order to add an extension, it is very easy. All you have to do is just simply click on the extension, and you will see the add to Firefox. You want to simply click on that. You will get a pop-up here that asks you to add it. You want to simply click add, and then you also want to click on OK. And once you do that guys, you will have the extension added. Now in order to manage the extension guys, or to see it, you want to click on the puzzle on the top right hand side again, and you will be able to see the extension. Now the gear here will help you to manage this extension. As you can see, you can remove it, you can manage the extension, or you can simply click manage extension from here, and this will take you into the extension. And once you're here, you'll find all your installed extension here under manage your extension. And of course as well, you will be able to see the recommended one as I showed you earlier. Here you can easily turn off an extension if you don't want to use it by simple click this button here to turn on and off, and as you can see, it's enabled and disabled. Here it's disabled and here it's enabled. So that's the easy enable or to disable it. Or if you want to delete the extension entirely, you want to click these three dots here, and you simply want to click remove. If you click on the manage, it will give you more options of a particular extensions. As you can see here, you can turn off the updates, you can run it in private window, etc. So that's how you basically manage extensions. And different extensions come with different kind of advanced features or advanced options. So you will be able to see that once you click on the three dots to click manage an extension so you can see more. Very easy and very simple. And in a nutshell, guys, that's all there is to it when it comes to extensions. As I said, it's the same way you will manage teams. You can add a team, you can manage a team, you can disable a team. It's the same way you'll manage them. Plugins also work similar, so you can always go to the page as well and search for plugins and so much more. So that's how you basically work with it, guys. Now guys, I really hope that you found this tutorial very helpful, and if you do, go ahead and give this video a like and share your comments below. I'd really appreciate that. And if you're seeing the channel for the first time, welcome to Drew Tutorial. I'm Anjo, and I really appreciate if you hit the subscribe button below to help grow this community, and also so that you'll never miss out when I release another helpful tutorial just like this one. Thank you very much, and see you next time.